Good morning to all. Myself Dr. Vaishali Shelgaonkar, Professor Anesthesia, Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, Nagpur. First of all, I want to disclaim that there is no conflict of interest. I am just showing you practical tips of CPAP kit. There is no financial concerns in this project. Myself with my team from Surgical ICU Indira Gandhi Government Medical College, I am going to tell you about the basic tips of how to use a CPAP kit. This is basically the CPAP adapter. This is CPAP mask with harness. This is an adapter with which we can adjust FiO2 during our management therapy. This is the manometer, and this is most important for COVID-19 patients is HME filter. Oxygen therapy is prudent in COVID-19 patients. It can be high flow, low flow, pressurized, non-pressurized. First of all, we can start with the conventional oxygen therapy in COVID-19 patients if they are not maintaining saturation. If with conventional oxygen therapy the patient is uncomfortable, leading to increased work of breathing or not maintaining saturation up to 95%, we should go with a oxygen therapy with CPAP device. Now, how to assemble this device? First of all, take a mask, attach an HME filter to it. It is very important to protect the device, to protect the aerosols which are generated or exhaled from the patient. Then we can attach the FiO2 ring with which if we need to adjust the FiO2, we can adjust. And the most important part is this CPAP main adapter. So this is how we can attach the CPAP device. With this CPAP device, there is a flow meter specifically designed for CPAP device having the flow rate of about 40 liters per minute. But if you don't have such flow meter, you can use conventional flow meter with our central pipeline system also. The limitation would be the flow rate is 15 liters per minute, but still this can be useful in COVID-19 patients. Now I will show how to attach the mask. This demonstration would be on an airway mannequin. So the harness is kept below the occiput of the patient. For this I would require assistant. Then the mask is kept on the face of the patient. The harness is tightened. Ensure that the mask is fit properly. The selection of mask should be as per the facial structure of the patient. Most of these masks are having air seal. So by inflating or deflating this air seal, we can achieve a better fit of the mask. This complete assembly is ready. We will attach this tubing to the flow meter, which is having 40 liters per minute of flow rate maximally. Now, this is a pressure gauge with which we can see how much centimeters of water CPAP we would be giving to the patient. Initially, to start with, we can start with 10 liters per minute. patient may not get acclimatized to directly high flow, that is 20 or 25 liters per minute. In COVID patient, even 10 liters of flow is sufficient. Let us see the comfort of the patient. Most of the time patient may be conscious. So directly increasing the pressure to 5 centimeters of water may be uncomfortable for the patient. If the patient get acclimatized to 10 liters per minute, gradually we can increase the pressure to 15 liters per minute so that the airway, the CPAP pressure is increasing gradually. Most of the patients can get settled with up to 3 centimeters of water. You may not require up to 5 centimeters of water pressure in each and every patient. Simultaneously watch for improvement in saturation, watch for comfort of the patient. So practically these are the simple tips which can be used in COVID-19 patients to improve their oxygenation, to improve the or to treat the pathology which is being created because of the damage due to COVID virus. That's all for today. Thank you.